Hello, welcome to Someday Farm. I'm Stephen Watson here with today's Tàijíquán Tip. This is another in the series of bedridden Tai Chi, perhaps. Right? Maybe you're recovering from surgery or otherwise ill. Maybe like me, today's just a rainy day, so I'm inside. But writing your Tai Chi form, sorry, I came too close to the camera there, or maybe it gave you a benefit in that you got to stop seeing my face. So the idea for today, hopefully, this will probably get a lot of likes, a lot of subscriptions, a lot of forwards, a lot of shares. So appreciate that. Thanks for subscribing and tipping and commenting and all that. Anyway, this is a really hard one. Write a detailed choreographic description of your form, right? So not the principles, not the sort of felt sense of the practices and the feeling of the jinn and the touching of the master and all the rest, but just a detailed choreographic description such that somebody else could pick it up, read it, and roughly recover the shape of the form. So they'd have the right hand roughly in the right place, in the right direction at the right time, in the right footwork. For me, this is a practice that has taken years, and like my current form, I don't know, is probably 84 pages or something like that of the detailed choreographic idea. This, of course, doesn't use much in the way of terms like, Pong or Zhongding or that sort of stuff. It's really just like, can somebody that doesn't do Tai Chi, maybe doesn't do martial arts, but they can read, can they roughly um, uh, recreate the shape of the form, right? For me, this then provides a really good context for other notes because now I have written down, typed up really, a description of my form. So when I have a note about a place, I can actually find that place and make my note about the story somebody said or the feeling that I had or this metaphor that it gives me or whatever. So for me, it provides a really nice sort of place for other notes, but it's a great practice in and of itself. And great practice makes for great humanity. So get after it.
Here are all the ways you can help besides online reviews and subscriptions. Thank you, thank you, thank you.